Dlaczego Wings? Bo lubię pomagać, a dobro wraca.
To było świetne.
Biegam Wingsa, bo jako osoba po operacji kręgosłupa doceniam cel, na który zbiera pieniądze ta fundacja.
Dlaczego biegam? Baśka mnie motywuje.
Bieg, w którym każdy krok ma znaczenie.
Wings for life.
Wings for life.
Wings for life.
Wings for life.
Biegniemy dla tych, którzy nie mogą.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
Runaway!
Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like an never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Just like another season.
Wings for life. Biegniemy dla tych, którzy nie mogą. Bieg, w którym każdy krok ma znaczenie. Dla przyszłości bez urazów rdzenia kręgowego. 3 razy Poznań, tym razem Wiedeń. Nowe miasto, te same emocje. Walka z czasem, z samym sobą do ostatniego metra. Było pięknie. Wrócimy za rok. Runaway team.
Hey, 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 hey! Run away! Woo!